السلام عليكم يا شباب. اليوم محاضرتنا نوعا ما تختلف عن باقي الأيام لسبب بسيط جدا، إنه فيروس كورونا، وحفاظا عليكم وعلى نفسي طبعا، مو عليكم أنشدش عليه بيكم. المهم حفاظا عليكم وعلى نفسي، إنه صار قرار أو اتفاق بيناتنا بالكلية على إنه تكون المحاضرات أونلاين، بما إنه أنتو أغلبكم إنه عنده النت يستخدمه من تليفونه، فحاولت قدر الإمكان إنه أنزل المحاضرة لكم على الجروب التليجرام، انتو تنزلوه وتسووا لنا اياه وتدزوا لي طلب عليه حتى انضم له. هاي أولا. ثانيا نحاول قدر الإمكان إنه نستفيد من موضوع المحاضرات والعطلة، حتى إيش عندكم مناقشات، إيش عندكم مواضيع ثانية، أسئلة نقدر نتناقش بيها أونلاين. احنا عندنا اتفاق انه ما يصير الكلام باللغة العربية، فعلى هالأساس راح نبدأ محاضرتنا هذا اليوم باستخدام اللغة الإنجليزية فقط حصرا. Okay? Now we have introduction to scientific statements. We have introduction to scientific statements. For example, here we have the differences between be and have uses in scientific statements. For example, here we have an exercise. First point, water boils or boil at 100 centigrade. If we want to use the two words be and have in scientific statements, these are the main verbs of any sentences which are usually in the present simple tense. Now we have number one, water boils or boil at 100 centigrade. As we have see here, we have two verbs. The first one contains the S. Do you see this letter? This is the singular S. And boil. Here we have boils and boil at 100 centigrade. Now we should select the correct verb between these two verbs. Since we have water, which is singular, so we should use the verb which contain the S, the singular third person. Okay? Or in Arabic, S الشخص الثالث. Water boils at 100 centigrade. Number two, action and reaction are opposite and equal. As also we can notice here there are two verbs. The first one is as and the second is are. So we have two verbs. The first one is and second is are. Since we have two verbs or two nouns here, action and reaction, so we should select are, not is, which is used for the singular. Okay, so now here the sentence became action and reaction are opposite and equal. 3. A thermometer measures or measure temperature. Here thermometer is singular, so we can use only the verb which contain, very good, the third person singular S. A thermometer measures temperature. Oxygen and hydrogen are gases. Mathematics. Look, here it is not Oh, sorry, it is a singular mathematics. It is only one subject. Mathematics is an important subject for an engineer. 6. The light bulbs. Here, we do not depend on the light only. No, we depend on the bulbs also. As you see here, the bulbs. The light bulbs or the bulbs in this room produces or produce. No, we do not use produces. We use only produce. The sentence 6 became the light bulbs in this room produce 100 watts each. Okay? The liquid in those bottles is or are. We should concentrate here. The liquid, and we should focus about the liquid or those bottles. Here we should use the liquid as the main target of this sentence. We are talking about the liquid, not about the bottles. So the liquid in those bottles is dangerous. Number 8. The results of the experiment proves or prove the law. Since we have here results, not result, results. The results of the experiment prove the law. Number 9. Everybody recognizes or recognize the importance of the practical work. Everybody recognizes or recognize. Here we should notice we have two similar verbs, recognizes or recognize. Since we have everybody, which mean everybody, it is one from the all. Everybody mean one from the all. So everybody recognizes the importance of the practical work. Number 10. On average, women, not women's, women, not woman, women, lives, no, women, on average, women live longer than men. Some substances, 11, some substances, most of which are metal, are good conductors of electricity. Some substances, most of which are metal, are good conductors of electricity. Okay? Number 12. By the way, I'm left 12, 30, 40, 15 as a homework for you. Now, go to explain exercise 2. Here, he asked me to rewrite these 15 sentences, putting the main verb is or are. This is the first writing exercise in the book. Therefore, you should try to get it right. Do you know why he put this condition? Because you are writing. When you are writing, you can collect all information that you want and putting it as the correct type. Now, these test tubes. First sentence became, these are test tubes. Cast iron, not as strong as steel. Cast iron, not as strong as steel. cast iron is not as strong